Viewer, today I will know about how to access internet in flight mode. So first I will keep my phone in flight mode. So press aeroplane mode, and then after we will dial a number star H star H 4636 hash star hash star. So after this there will be a function testing. So I will press on first one phone information, and in phone information, as you are looking there is a button mobile radio power button. So first I will press it on and leave it. So my net is working. So let's check internet. It is working or not. So as you are looking that it's working. I am playing any video. Let's check on Chrome also. As you are looking there, it assessing circuit reject. So internet working as you are looking there. So thank you everyone.